welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be toy reviewing the Mystery Date game, which is right here. This is Nostalgia Edition. This game is actually from 1965, but this game is actually just like what's it called? A replica of the old version. That's why it's called Nostalgia Edition. They still make the newer games nowadays, but like that's why it's called Nostalgia Edition. But it's like really nice. That's why I love the graphics. Alright, let's open it up. So now we can unbox it. But first, before we unbox it, I just want to give a quick little review about the packaging presentation. So the packaging is actually really nice, really retro, and I really like it. It's actually tin. I really like it. It looks very, very retro, which I love. And this is the back. It explains the game, whatever, blah, blah. It looks very, very nice, very retro looking, and I really like it. So yeah, let's unbox. Also, fun fact, this price retails, this item retails for $17. Okay, now, first of all, what's inside are the instructions. Which basically shows the rules, whatever, the stuff inside, blah, blah, blah. And then we have the board, the actual board. You might be saying, but that's so small, Caroline. How are you supposed to play? No. You can unfold it. And just unfold this. You guys just see some of the review. Because this board is huge. Ta-da! It's like this. Bazaar. Yeah, it's not that big, but it's big enough. Then we have the cards. We have some stands. I'll tell you guys what this is for later. And then we have some beautiful women. Very nice retro style, which I really like. They all look exactly the same, but different colored dresses and different colored hair. Yeah. Alright. And last but not least, we have the die, which is also very, fun. And we have the door, which you can open up, and then there's a different man inside. That's it. It's Romeo. Open it again. We have no one. Sorry, you're single, ma'am. Wait, twist it again. We have business boy or whatever. Yeah, I think he's a businessman. I put all of the coordinating stands for them, for the ladies or women, whatever you want to call them. But they actually look really similar, the same exact figure and pose, but different colors of dress, heels, and hairs. And you only need 2 to 4 players, and you can have 3 if you want. That's why there's 4 of them. Duh. And yeah, also it has to go this way. Whatever way that is, I think it's counterclockwise. Oh, it's clockwise. Clockwise. Oh, counterclockwise. Clockwise. Counterclockwise. Oh, you can go any way you want, but you have to start on the door areas. These are the dates that the women are trying to choose. Excuse me, ladies. These are the dates, so you can go skiing, ball dance, to the beach, and you can go bowling. And yeah, that's actually all. But I just want to ask you guys a little quick question. If you went on a date, what date would you bring them to? Any date. Comment down below. Which one? Right now. Okay? I want to know which one. Because if it was me, I would go to, it's either skiing or like a little picnic. I don't know. Okay? So yeah, I just want to ask you guys that since it's kind of related to this game real fast, because I kind of want to give you guys a little question to do too, because, it might just be boring for you guys to be like, where's the direction for us? So yeah, I just want to give you guys a little interaction. So comment down below right now. And so this is actually the instructions. You can pause it the video right now to read the instructions, but if it's too complicated for you, don't worry. Teaching Showbill will help. So, the rules for this game are that you need to deal 2 cards to each player randomly, and then the player has to choose a date that they want to go on. It's either skiing, ball dance, bowling, or a beach day. And then what you want to do is whatever you want. So, for example, over here, it says evening gown, so that's for the ball day, of course. And then the blouse and skirt, which is for bowling. And then swimsuit, which is obviously for beach day. And then parka, which is for skiing, of course. And you want to match those up to 3 all. And you want to get any door, which is open the door, open the door, open the door, which is all dark blues. And what you want to do is you want to spin the knob each time, so it's going to be random. You can't open the door. You got to spin it like this. Or you don't need to spin it. And then open. And you've got to hope that the guy matches for the outfit. Ball dance. The homeless guy, which you never want to get. You don't want to get. Alright guys, so now we can go ahead and pass out the cards. 2 per each, 2 per player. Make sure you choose them randomly, so here you go. Camera woman. Okay, let's just go now. Alright. Ooh, la la. Okay. Alright, okay. So this is my character. This is my sister's. Where's the die? Okay. So, let's go. Shake. Christ. I gotta open the door, which I'm single, so I don't have one. Okay, woman. Camera woman. Camera girl, whatever. 6. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. She's single. I got 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Swap 1 card with any player. Okay, give me a card, woman. Okay, I'm gonna give you this one. I'm gonna do this one. Oh my god. No! Oh. 4. Guys, it's so hot here in California. Okay, no, come on. Come on.
No, I'm right here.
Where?
Take 2 cards.
Time to spin. I got 1. But take 2 cards and draw. Oh, okay, yeah, fine, I have 2 cards. 1. 1, 2, 3. Also, guys, before we continue the game, you have a limit of 6 cards. And if you get over 6, you gotta put it in the discard pile. One card player on the right. Okay. I'm gonna. Oh my god. Why is my character move there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm single. Two. Oh no, Jim. Alright, so I got the number 2. 2. Oh my god, I'm nervous. 1, 2. I'm single. Oh my god.
Wait, I have to get rid of cards.
So we'll get rid of some.
This is the new card that I got. New cards. these are my old cards. And then I have, how many old cards do I have? 2, 4, 6. So I have to get rid of 2 old cards. I'll get rid of... Sorry. This is a goodbye. And this also goes bye-bye.
Oh my god! I just showed my cards to you.
I didn't see.
Sure.
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Swap a card for one thing. There you go. Oh no, I know what it is. It's a jacket. Are you joking? Why do you have so many jackets? Why do you have so many jackets? Set it down. And go. Take, what does it say? Take 1 card from either draw or discard pile. Let me do this one. No! What the heck? I don't trust you.
It's all yours.
No! No! What the heck? No! It's like you're like a magic chicken. Jackets. And I'm only gonna give a jacket. God, man. It's turning boring because of you. Okay. Take 1 card from. Okay, I don't trust this back part.
No, you have to get from the top. No, top. There we go. Cheater.
Why are these cards so useless? I'm getting the worst cards. Only 2 cards in my deck.
Wait, did you just turn again?
What do you mean it's wrong?
Did you just... Why'd you get a card?
What did I do?
No, that was my card. That was my present.
Oh.
And it was my turn.
No, it's my turn.
It was my turn because you swapped the card with me.
No?
Yes?
No?
Yes?
No?
You swapped the card with me. You got the green jacket. And I gave you the green jacket.
Oh, what does that mean? I can take the pink.
No, you would have to return it back. You shuffle it back. That turn is cancelled.
No, so that means I can put it. What? It's my channel. Jeez. Oh, no. No!
I have reached the door. I'm going on a beach date.
I'm praying. That. Okay.
I have to get a beach date
Okay, get up.
from the door.
I hope you know up. I'm too scared too because beach day is the most common one. No!
Why?
Because you just won and you have such high hopes. So, my overall rating for today for this game is really high. And it's really nice, and it's actually worth $17. It's worth. And the reason why is because, 1, it's actually really easy to learn. It's really stressful, but it's fun. Okay. And I actually looked this up on Google, the older version, the one that was actually made in 1965, which was actually, it looks identical. It actually looks identical, which is so cool, and I really like that, but it just really keeps the nostalgia edition. Also, whoever designed this, bravo. So, overall, the rating is a 5-star. Alright guys, so that's all for today. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment down below. Make sure you hit the bell button for all notifications from me. Goodbye! No, what if the girls ride on him? Let's make the girls ride. No, let's then make them all proud. Benny has. I want Benny. Wait, let's make him hold it. The lady.